Hello, it's me, I'm back. I don't know how long for, if I'm even going to post this. Then I thought I'd get into the mix, get a bit of confidence back. You might not recognise me, I've lost so much weight and I look so fantastic. No, I'm back in Hatfield full time. So let you read behind the lines there. And I'm just on my way out to the Jungle Club in Hertford. But I bought a Too Good To Go bag. And I've just eaten the most delicious thing out there, so I thought I'd do a video on it as well. So I got this from the Simmonds, the bakers in Hertfordshire in Welwyn Garden City, which is a pain in the arse because it's in town and couldn't park anywhere. But anyway, I have got a wholemeal loaf of bread, granary loaf of bread. I know how much this is. It's £3.85 because I buy it regularly. The Too Good To Go bag was £4. It should be worth at least £12. And when you see what you get for £12, you realise what a cost of living crisis we are in. And then I also got 6 of these rolls. I don't know what they're putting them in, balming fluid or something, but they literally stay soft all week long. They never seem to go mouldy. So I can have one of those a day. Don't know what I have with them. I've got Ollie here as well. Come and say hello, Ollie. Come and say hello. Ollie's had £400 spent on him, haven't you? You had some ear stuff at the vets. And had your ear swabbed again just for them to tell us exactly what it was the last time. Yeah, £384 later. But he's on steroids, so he's literally like Linford Christie, aren't you, baby? Running everywhere. My Airbnb as well. I know if you hate me, you're going to hate this, but it's gone quite crazy. I've had like a record month and I've got more coming up. I've got a guy here at the moment who has flown in from Los Angeles with his dog and he's going to the Royal Veterinary Clinic, taking his dog in there tomorrow. So he's taken it already. He's got a 90% chance of survival for a mitral valve replacement or repair, costing £23,500. Plus the flights, which are, I think, $2,000 each way for the dog, plus his flight, plus obviously the Airbnb. He's here for 20 nights. And then I've got somebody else come in a couple of days after he leaves for 10 days. And oh, he's got a Portuguese water dog. It's like Ollie, but he's got black and he's got a little white chest and he's got a little white paws. Gorgeous little Fido. I've got someone that's bringing their Chihuahua cross for 10 nights. They're coming from France, so all good. The low light of my bag, which I'm going to see if the guy downstairs wants. I'm not going to finger it then. I have got one of these cinnamon rolls. It's literally like cardboard with cinnamon in it. Corrugated cardboard, not just any old cardboard. And a plain croissant. And then I saw this and I thought, there was 2 of these in there. And I thought it was jam in a Danish. It's actually like absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous Morello cherries. And it is to die for. It is the nicest Danish pastry I think I've ever eaten. Right, off I go. I'm absolutely shattered. I've had it all went pear-shaped just before Christmas in Surrey, and I spent January just feeling sorry for myself and crying. February I went on the most amazing holiday to Lanzarote as like a soul thing. Made so many new friends. Literally come back and everyone said, oh my God, Sharon, I've not seen you like this. I've been down the local pub singing karaoke. I've joined a rock choir. I went to Balham this week to see some bands in a club called the Bedford. Went back there on Thursday, went to see Jeff Lynne's War of the World immersive experience and then Choir of Man. I don't know, I've just been out literally the whole of March. I'm going to go see one of my favourite TikTokers as well. She's doing sort of like a, building women up, empowering women type day. So I've watched her for like years, so I wanted to support her and I'm really looking forward to that. I'm going to that next week. And Grandad's been over today, hasn't he? Mum and Dad go on holiday. They go on a 22-day cruise for Dad's 80th birthday, bless him. And Mum came over today, so I said, oh, I'd give an early Mother's Day present, so I've took her to get her trotters pedicured before her holiday. So I shall fill you in a bit more, might put some videos up. But yeah, no, very, very sad times. It's been the hardest thing I've ever had to live. Well, not, yeah, I mean, you know, in comparison to what some people go through, it's a breakup, you know, but so much harder than anything else I've encountered. How lucky are we to live here? It's beautiful. Tent. That's one of the very few real tennis pitches they've got in the UK. Well, worldwide actually. Yeah, real tennis club.
Oh, Jesus Christ, seriously? Fuck hell. It's going to be a couple of days, babe.
Yeah.
You might need a skip.
Yeah. Fuck me, how can you live like this?
Eh? Busted for a pee. Where's the toilet? Oh my fucking Christ. Stay at this toilet.
Yeah, well.
Oh. Right, okay. Oh. Look at that toilet.
Oh my God. It's obviously got the shits.
The shits. Fuck me. I ain't touching nothing without without a fucking shop. There's women's knickers and all sorts of things.
This is Jess's stuff from being here.
Oh, we're just going to throw it away, are we?
No, yeah, I'm not going to chuck her personal stuff away because that's from.
What are you going to say
stuff.
to her?
Well, her mum's coming round tomorrow.
Oh,
yeah.
Looks like Budweiser.